Olá pessoal, welcome back to Plain Portuguese, where we learn how to speak like a Brazilian. Last class we learned the difference between isto, isso and aquilo. In today's class we'll see the difference between este, esse and aquele and their variations. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, catch up on the videos you have missed. You'll learn a lot. Well, last class we saw the difference between isto, isso, aquilo. In today's class, we'll see the difference between este, esse, aquele, and their variations. Grab your notebook and join me. This is a book. Isto é livro. Now if I say, this book is new, then I should use este livro é novo. Again, this is a book, this book is new. Isto é livro. Este livro é novo. Let's see with other objects. This is a pencil, this pencil is black. Repeat after me. Isto é lápis. Este lápis é preto. Esta caneta é preta. I said esta because caneta is a feminine word. So, repeat after me. Esta caneta é preta. Now in the plural. Estes livros são novos. Repita. Estas chaves são minhas. So, to wrap it up, I use este, esta, estes, estas when referring to things that are closer to me, always taking into account the gender of the word, masculine or feminine, and the number, singular or plural. Este lápis, esta caneta, estes livros, estas chaves. If I refer to things that are closer to the person I'm talking to and not closer to me, then I must use esse, essa, esses, essas. Repeat after me. Esse celular é moderno. Essa cadeira é confortável. Esses sapatos são grandes. Essas flores são bonitas. Now, if I refer to things that are far from me and far from the person I'm talking to, I must use aquele, aquela, aqueles, aquelas. Repeat after me. Aquele quadro é bonito. Aquela mesa é pequena. Aqueles livros são antigos. Aquelas flores são amarelas. You'd better write this down. This is very important. Isto, isso, and aquilo are used to refer to an object, a situation, an event, but can't be used to refer to people. Can't. Now, este, esse, aquele, and all their variations like estas, essas, aqueles, well, they can be used to refer to people, as in, this man is tall. Este homem é alto. Or, those kids are playing. Aquelas crianças estão brincando. So again, isto, isso, and aquilo can't be used to refer to people. Este, esse, aquele, and all their variations can. Thank you for watching another class. If you like our classes, share them with your friends. Maybe you can learn Portuguese together, huh? Well, before you go, don't forget to leave your comments and questions below. I love to read them. See you next time. Até a próxima. Tchau!